Thanks for clicking this video and welcome to my channel. I am Eunice. So, disclaimer, I am not an American native speaker, so please excuse my incorrect grammar and pronunciation. I'm just doing this challenge because I was inspired by Michelle Fox, where she only used the English language in the entire video. So today we're going to unbox the package or the phone that I ordered from Shopee, the Oppo F9. I ordered this phone on August 24th. Received it, I believe, after 2 weeks or the official release of the Oppo F9 in the market. And I paid 17,990 pesos. So that is the price here in the Philippines. And I'm actually nervous right now because I don't have an idea if the unit is inside this box. Pretty nervous. Oh my god. Okay. I'm starting to get nervous. So first, let me show you the freebies. Look, here's the bag. Okay, next is Raven and another challenging packaging from Shopee. Another layer of surprise. Oh my god. Okay, before opening this one or getting this one, let me see what's inside. Oh, okay. So, manuals or quick guide. Read that later. And a jelly case. I don't know what is this. Oh my god, here it is. But I'm going to open that later. And let me see what else is inside the box. Wall charger. That green stuff. I don't know what is that. Maybe it's something to do with the fast or the quick charge. And what else? So another headset. Okay, the star of the show. Since it's indicated in here that the battery is not removable. Oh my god. That is so beautiful. Alrighty, the moment of truth. I'm going to challenge my co-YouTuber to do the EOP challenge. So take note, this is just for fun. You don't need to be fluent in English. The video should not be longer than 6 minutes. And you need to include the bloopers. Well, it's up to you if you want to include it on the last part, first, or in the entire video. While I'm doing the happy dance, I'm going to flash on the screen the name of the following people that I encourage to do the EOP challenge. Good luck, guys!
Nobody's perfect, so why practice?
Okay, the moment of truth. My favorite. So I'm going to...
I am Eunice. Disclaimer before we start this challenge, where she challenged herself to speak in English in the entire video. So